Nandip class पाठवता 10th semi science part first chapter first concept.
Hello friends, I am Tejas. I am talking about Newton's gravitation. So, Sir Isaac Newton was one of the most greatest scientists in recent time. He discovered the laws of motion, equation of motion, and the theory of in his book Principia. So, the one of the most important law of Newton was the gravitational force is universal force. It is not act only between two objects on Earth, but also act on any two objects in universe. This is called gravitation. Thank you.
Hi. Today I will study the force. Force. What is the definition of force? A force is push or pull upon the objects reacted from the object's interaction with another objects. Whatever there is a interaction between two objects, there is a force upon the objects.
Centripetal force. A force act on any object moving along a circle and directed towards of a center of the circle. This is called the centripetal force.
Kepler's law. Kepler's first law. The orbit of a planet is an ellipse with the sun at one of its foci. Kepler's second law. The line joining the planet and the sun swipes equal area and equal intervals of the time.
Kepler's third law. The square of period of revolution around the sun of the directly proportional of to the cube of the mean distance planet of the sun.
Newton's universal law of gravitation. Every object in a universal attract the every other object with definite force. This force is definitely proportional to the masses of two objects in a universal proportional to the square of distance between them.
Uniform circular motion. If a planet is revolving around the sun in circular orbit, it is called uniform circular motion.
Hello friends, I am Aniket. My topic name is the earth of gravitational force. The gravitational force of any object. The gravitational force of any object due to the earth away directed toward the center of the earth. This condition is called the gravitational force in it.
Earth gravitational acceleration. A force acting on a body results. A force acting on a body result of its acceleration. It is the the gravitational force due to the earth on a body result acceleration. It is called gravitational due to the gravity is denoted by g. Acceleration is a vector.
Verification in value of g. The value of the surface on the earth because the earth is not spherical. It is sluggish than the is flatter at the poles. Definition of mass. The mass of an object in the amount of matter present in its SI unit is kg. Definition of weight. The weight is object defined is the force which is the earth attract the object.
Definition of repulse. Once you receive the stone from your hands, the only force of the acts, it is the gravitational force of the earth, and the stone falls down under the influence whenever an object moves. The force of the gravity it's said to be gravitational force. Feeling fairly.
Gravitational potential energy. The energy stored in an object because of its
of its position or state is called potential energy.
Definition of escape velocity. If we keep increase the initial velocity of the ball, if we reaches larger and larger heights and above the particular value of initial velocity of the ball, the ball is able to the overcome the downward pull by the earth and escape the earth. Forever will not fall back on the earth. This is called the escape velocity.